Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I did these glittery 4th of July inspired nail look. So what you're gonna need is an eyeshadow stick or sponge, a fan brush in order to remove excess glitter, a top coat. I use 4 glitters, a red, a gold, silver, and a blue one, and you're gonna need a black polish. So first what you want to do is apply your first layer of polish. It could be thin and it doesn't have to be perfect. Let that completely dry once done and then apply your second coat. We're gonna let that dry and get our glitter next. I'm gonna show you how I use BLUEMER. This really nice Twinkled blue glitter with some like little green flecks. It's really pretty. I really like using it. So the way I apply it is that first I apply a layer of top coat on my nail and I cover my whole nail completely. I'm gonna work a little bit quick. Then I'm gonna grab my glitter and get the little eyeshadow brush, zip it in a little bit, tap some excess off outside of the camera, and then I'm just gonna focus on the tip of the free edge. I'm gonna dab a little bit of the glitter, make it a bit thicker at the edge, and when I'm done with that, what I'm gonna do is slightly tap the excess glitter that's on the sponge onto the nail, trying to create that like gradient or like ball. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. And then if I have like glitter left over, what I did was that I just patted some of the glitter on like bald spots, but very gently and very lightly, making sure I didn't ruin the polish underneath. And I continued doing that until I was happy with how it looked. Keeping in mind that you have to work a little bit quickly since you don't want the top coat to fully dry or else none of the glitter will adhere. After letting it dry a little bit, I grabbed my fan brush and simply dusted off any excess glitter. After the cleanup, I simply grabbed my top coat again and applied a generous layer. I let that dry and then continued to add. I think I added about 2 more layers because the glitter has a rough texture and it soaks in the glitter. So I just did it until I was happy with it. And this is the final look. I repeated the same process with the other glitters on the other nose, and then I just went a little bit extra on my thumb. Here it is. A little bit like mixing it, all the glitters there. And so this is my nail art. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did, if it was helpful. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.